Okay, here's our revised layout. Pantry's been moved, base cabinet. I would still keep this the same depth. I think it'd look better to keep it the same depth as everything else. It will feel a little lighter or not as obtrusive by having an upper here instead of this full height cabinet walking around the corner. Glass shelves, glass doors. Fridge stays the same. All the layout's the same, except the pantry's over here, and we need to identify the window situation, what's going on. The island made this cabinet 36. I should have made that wider. It won't be centered. As it is, it's not centered from here to here. The only way to do that would be to grow it out maybe 4 inches, and then we can have the sink centered between the edge of the countertop here and here. Microwave stays in the same position. As far as the post, I feel this is the best layout, what we have now. If this is our post, so the countertop would die into the side of the post here and here. Bringing the countertop around the post, I think is going to be too difficult for the countertop installers. And the reason being is if we brought these two cabinets forward, we have to have about a 2.5 inch distance. The edge of this needs to be 2.5 inches away from the face of these cabinets so that when you open this drawer, it clears the handle. And if we do that, this would have to come forward, this would come forward, and we need to put fillers in front of this corner. And then that countertop would be completely surrounded, or the post would be completely surrounded. Paneling on the back, here's this added cabinet, and we're going to have a little void here. You will not see it because we'll have paneling going all the way across, but there's no way to, I mean, unless we put a little skinny cabinet right here, but I think that'd look funny because we just have 3 or 2 equal panels across the back here to make this all look seamless. These doors stay as is, and then 2 to 3 panels covering up the back here. But this is our layout. All right, let me know. Thanks.